If you need to update your Calendly meeting location, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to switch from Zoom to Google Meet, change to Microsoft Teams, set up a phone call, or simply update an in-person meeting address, you can do it in just a few clicks. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Calendly account so you can edit the right event type. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look at the left side or main dashboard area and go to Scheduling. This is where all of your event types are stored. Find the event you want to update and open it. After the event details load, click Edit. This takes you into the settings for that specific meeting type, where you can change the event name, availability, and location details. Now scroll down until you find the location section. This is the part that tells Calendly how your meeting will actually take place. It might currently be set to a video call service, a phone call, or a physical address. Click on the current meeting location to reveal the available options. Calendly will show you the different location types you can use. Depending on your account setup, you may see options like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, phone call, or in-person. Choose the new location that fits your meeting. If you're switching to a video meeting, select the platform you want your invitees to use. If you're meeting face-to-face, choose in person and make sure the address or location details are correct. If you're doing a phone appointment, select phone call so Calendly can prompt the guest with the right instructions. After you select the new location, double-check that the change looks correct in the event settings. It's always a good idea to review the rest of the event details too, just to make sure nothing else needs updating. Once everything looks right, click Save in Close to apply your changes. That's the final step, and it updates the meeting location for that Calendly event. From there, anyone booking that event will see the new location option automatically, and that's it. You've successfully updated your Calendly meeting location. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.